Good morning, all of you. As you know that we have started our first book, Constitution at Work, and of this book, the first chapter, Constitution, Why and How. I have told you about what is the Constitution, and we have studied about the two topics, the second function and the first function. I would like to tell you about the limitations on the powers of the government. Now, we would start this from this line, but this is clearly not enough. Suppose you decided who had the authority to make decisions. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि भी ना कैसे powers we have given the powers in a democratic form of the government. I have told you about the executive, legislature, and the judiciary. They have various organs and they have different powers. But there is a limitations also. This is also telling you that, but this is clearly not enough. Suppose you decided who had the authority to make decisions. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि किसके पास अथॉरिटी है टू मेक द डिसीजंस, बट देन दिस अथॉरिटी पास्ड लॉज दैट यू थॉट वर patently unfair, and in future, for example, executives and the legislature has made the law and you are dissatisfied, then where would you go to? You would go for the judiciary, you would go for the executive. But finally I have told you about the judiciary, that Supreme Court in our India, the highest peak court. It is the apex court, and you would go there. But it is mentioned in our constitution, because you know that the constitution is the apex. The next, it prohibited you from the practicing your religion, for instance, or it enjoined that clothes of a certain color were prohibited. अब ये आपको ये जो देर आर 3 to 4 लाइन्स, ये वो बताना चाह रहे हैं कि भाई इफ़ in the in India, you know that we are the multicultural and the multi diverse country. India is a multi diverse country, and some laws, for example, legislature has made some laws and you are not following that particular laws, because they are prohibited you practice your religion. फॉर इंस्टेंस, ये जो आपको उदाहरण भी दे रहे हैं, फॉर इंस्टेंस दैट यू आर नॉट एन्जॉइंग क्लोथिंग वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू लाइक टू वियर. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल वेस्टर्न क्लोथ्स लाइक जीन्स, they are prohibited on these type of the clothes. But where would you to go? There is some limitations on the government also. Were not to free to sing certain songs, or that people who belonged to a particular group, caste, or the religion would always have to serve others and would not be allowed to retain any property. अब ये बात कर रहे हैं, दे आर टेलिंग यू दैट if you are following the particular religion and the government, or for example legislature is prohibiting to on your religion, on your cloth, and a particular caste, then where would you go to? Like you would go to the court also. But there is a limitation on the government also. If our constitution provide the government, central government, state government, and the local government some authorities, but these authorities or powers for you, it means that a common people. Then the next line, or that government could arbitrarily arrest someone, or that only people of a certain skin color would be allowed to draw water from wells. Yes, for example, reserve category. I want to give the example. अगर आप किसी रस्टिक एरिया और कंट्री साइड में जाएंगे, देन यू विल ऑब्जर्व that some particular caste, some people belong a particular caste, जो रिजर्व कैटेगरी के हैं, they are not allowed to take the water from the wells. So where should we go? We should go to the court, because it is mentioned in our in our constitution. So there is a limitations on the power of the government also. Next, you would obviously think these laws were unjust and the unfair. Yes. For example, I am telling you that the executive passed the law, but against your wishes. If they ban on your fundamental freedom, for example, they are banning or prohibited you how to wear, how to walk, how to speak, how to expression, that they are banned, they are limited, they are limited on your freedom. So you have to go to the court, or the constitution has provided the limitation on the government also. The next, on a certain procedure there would be something obviously unjust about that government enacting these laws. So हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट है वो इनेक्ट कर रही है, they are providing us the authority and the power, but with the limitations also. So we have covered the third function of a constitution is to set some limits on what a government can impose on its citizens. These limits are fundamental in the sense that the government may never trespass them. Trespass means I have mentioned the meaning also, property without permission. तो हमारे the third function I am telling you about the constitution, that our constitution also set some limitations on the government authority. So I am telling you about the read a cartoon. It is just on the corner on the right side. Look at the cartoon. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members of the European Union. These members we are calling here the word the founding fathers. And what is the meaning of the founding fathers? I would like to tell you first the European Union also. So here I want to tell you about the European Union. Actually, European Union is if you observe any book, that European Union has a flag and 12 stars. It is very important while you are preparing the competitive exam, then there is a mention of the 12 stars on the flag of the European Union. It is a political and what do you mean by the European Union? It is a political and the economic union of 27 members. Population is 447 million. So it is a just general awareness. And the next is I want to tell you about the headquarter and the location. Location is Belgium or Brussels. It was founded in 1st of November 1993. Maastricht and the Netherlands. Members Denmark, Luxembourg. Or we can say that the 27 members Norway, all the European countries, Italy, German. And the founders member were Germany, France, Italy, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Belgium, etc. अवार्ड्स कौन कौन से दिए जाते हैं? नोबल पीस प्राइज़, सबसे बड़ा जो है आपका नोबल पीस प्राइज़. प्रिंसेस ऑफ द ऑस्ट्रियस, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो यूरोपियन यूनियन है, फ्रॉम द यूरोपियन साइड देर इज़ ए फेमस बर्ड. एंड द नेक्स्ट अवार्ड फॉर द कॉन्कर्ड बॉम्बे मिलेनियम अवार्ड एटसेट्रा अवार्ड they delivered to the other member of the country. Structure: Court of the Justice, Council of the EU, Journal Court. And the official scripts is the Greek and the Latin. जो भी ऑफिशियल इनकी लैंग्वेज होती है वो है ग्रीक एंड लेटिन. जो स्क्रिप्ट्स दिए जाते हैं, जो रिटन फॉर्म में दिए जाते हैं, वो है ग्रीक एंड द लेटिन. गवर्नमेंट कैसी है? इंटर गवर्नमेंटल. yes, we have covered all some general awareness topic. Then I want to tell you about the cartoon. Here I want to see you again read a cartoon, and there are 5 members of the European Union, and they are forming the European Constitution. They are forming the European Constitution. And here is a word, the founding fathers. So I want to give the answer of these. Here is a question. First of all, I want to tell you about the. Here is a question. Question of the countries of the European Union tried to create a European constitution. The attempt failed. Here is a cartoonist impression of this attempt. Does this always happen in any constitution making? This is the question regarding this cartoon. So I want to tell you about, first there are the 5 members, and this is the word, the founding fathers. Founding fathers mean a bitter, often prolonged quarrel or state of amity. Amity means ill will, hostility, and the arguments or continuous arguments, वो होते हैं हमारे founding fathers. Actually it is the idiom of the German, in a German language, that a founding fathers. And here is the question. What was the question? Question is, does this always happen in any constitution making? क्या ये किसी दूसरे जो constitution में, other constitution of the other country, क्या ऐसा होता है? कैसा? Countries of the European Union try to create a European constitution. जो European Union है of the 5 members, they are trying to the making the European constitution. The attempt failed because there is a prolonged conflict in the European Union also. So cartoonist impression of this attempt. तो ये कुछ attempt कर रहे हैं, ये कुछ depict कर रहा है, and the answer is here. No, this does not happen in all constitution making. If a constituent assembly is elected directly or indirectly, or constituted with the representative of all sections, groups or interest groups, definitely the attempts of the framing the constitution would be successful. तो ये जो कार्टून है ये डिपिक्ट कर रहा है नहीं, क्योंकि अगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकिंग में इफ़ वी गिव द इक्वल राइट्स टू ऑल द सेक्शंस, फॉर एग्जांपल पुअर as well as the rich, then we would be successful for making the constitution. But in the European Union there is a conflict or prolonged conflict. That's why this attempt was not successful. So we have done this topic in a depthly. So tomorrow we will study about the next topic or the next function of the constitution.